Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematical Solver. Today I'm going to help you solve the J Advanced 2014 problem. It is given that the domain of a function is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 and the range is R, that's all the real numbers, be given by f of x is equal to log sec x plus tan x the whole cube. Then they are saying us to find whether f of x is odd, on 1, on 2 or even. So this is a multi-option correct and question, so more than one option will be right over here. So first we can prove whether it's odd or even or neither of them. So what does odd function first of all mean? Odd function is saying that f of minus x is equal to minus of f of x. This is what odd function says. While even says that f of minus x is equal to f of x. This is what is the difference between even and odd function. So what is minus x? You just have to substitute instead of x minus x in the following equation. So it's given that f of x is log of sec x plus tan x the whole cube. So first we'll put we need to find what is f of minus x. F of minus x will be log of sec x minus tan x the whole cube. This will be log of sec x minus tan x. Why? Because if we put in sec of minus x, sec of x, if we put minus x, we will get sec x only. Cos and fourth quadrant, cos and sec are positive. But if we put minus x in tan x, we will get minus tan x cos, and fourth quadrant tan is negative. So now you have to just multiply and divide with the conjugate of sec x minus tan x. What's the conjugate of sec x minus tan x? Sec x plus tan x. So we'll get sec x plus tan x by sec x plus tan x into sec x minus tan x the whole cube. So we get log sec x plus tan x and sec x minus tan x will give us sec square x minus tan square x by sec x plus tan x the whole cube. Now sec x minus tan x, we have a function, we have a formula that 1 plus tan square is equal to sec square x. So sec square x minus tan square x is 1. So we will be getting log of 1 by sec x plus tan x the whole cube. So therefore now we know one more thing, we have a log expression that log of x by y is equal to log x minus log y. So I want to apply that over here. So what we will be getting? Log of 1 minus log of sec x plus tan x the whole cube. This is what we will be getting. Now, so what will we be getting? We will get minus log of sec x plus tan x the whole cube. So we can write it as minus 1 the whole cube will become minus of log of sec x plus tan x the whole cube. So which is equal to minus of f of x. Therefore this is an odd function. So we proved it's an odd function. So we can just say that f of x is a odd function. Now we will do now we have to prove whether it's 1 1 and on to. Now to prove f of x is 1 1 or not, we should prove whether f of x is increasing or decreasing function. That means we must show the graph is like going from bottom to top where none of the points having the same range. So now we have to find what's f of f dash. We know f of x is log of sec x plus tan x the whole cube. So what we'll be getting is that f dash of x is equal to 3 times of log sec x plus tan x the whole square. This is the outer function. Next, the log function. So log function, what we'll be getting into sec x plus tan x 1 by the denominator. So next, now we have to differentiate what is inside the bracket, that's sec x plus tan x. So we'll get sec x tan x plus sec square x. So what we will be getting is that we can take sec x common outside, okay, and we can write sec x plus tan x as 1 plus sin x by cos x. I'll just show how. So I'm just looking into this function right now, so that's what I'm going to simplify. So if I simplify that, I will be getting sec x 1 plus sin x by cos x by 1 plus sin x by cos x. Cos x will get cut, 1 plus sin x and sin x will get cut, therefore sec x will remain. So we will get finally f dash of x to be equal to 3 times of log sec x plus tan x the whole square into sec x. Okay, now we know that this function will be always an increasing function, because from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, sec x is always positive, so it will keep on increasing, and log function is always increasing. So this is always greater than 0. So we can say from we got f dash of x is increasing. So that means f of x is 1 1. So we proved f of x is 1 1. So let me just tick that option as well. We proved f of x is 1 1. Now last we must prove whether f of x is onto or even function. So we proved it's not all. So now we need to prove this onto function. Let us prove onto function. So to prove whether if it's onto or not, we must first find what will be the minimum value of the function, the maximum value of the function. So we found it's an increasing function, so the minimum value will be at its minimum domain, minimum part of the domain, and the maximum will be at the maximum part of the domain. So we know minimum is minus pi by 2 and maximum is pi by 2. Minimum is pi by 2. So just substitute in the equation. So if I substitute minus pi by 2 in f of x, what I'll be getting? Log of sec of minus pi by 2 plus tan of minus pi by 2 the whole cube. Sec of minus pi by 2 plus tan of minus pi by 2. So what is sec minus pi by 2 value? Infinity. So log of infinity. And tan minus pi by 2 is minus infinity, the whole cube. This we can say as log 0. Log 0 we take it to be minus infinity, because we proved that minus pi by 2 f of x, we substitute, we get minus log of 0. So log of 0 we take it to be minus infinity. Now next, let us substitute pi by 2 in the equation. So if we substitute pi by 2, we will be getting log of sec pi by 2 is infinity and tan pi by 2 is infinity. So we will be getting log infinity the whole cube. So that is again we will be getting infinity only. So we got the range to be, it should be an open, because infinity is not a proper value. to get minus infinity to infinity, which is equal to r itself, similar to r only. So we prove range is this, therefore it is onto function. Therefore we proved all of others, therefore we can say C as well. So we got the answers to be A, B and C. This is the answer. So therefore we solved our problem. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure that you like, subscribe and press the bell icon for the notifications. That's for it now. Thank you.